Are you tired of feeling frustrated with your blood sugar levels? Are you struggling to stick to a low carb or keto diet? I've been there too. Whether you're managing diabetes, pre-diabetes, or just trying to stay healthy, meal prep is your secret weapon to saving time, reducing stress, and keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Today, I'm gonna show you just how easy it can be. Hi guys, I'm Ryan, AKA your keto cousin. And in 2016, I made a huge shift in my health by adopting a ketogenic diet and reversing my insulin resistance and pre-diabetes. Now, I follow a low-carb lifestyle with metabolic flexibility. And the one thing that has made it so much easier to stay on track is meal prep. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through my simple meal prep system that helps me and my family eat healthy and delicious meals all week long without the daily stress of cooking. So if you're ready to save time, reduce stress, and stick to your health goals, stay with me. I'll be also sharing some money-saving tips and delicious meal ideas that you can start using right away. So meal prep is a total game changer. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a family, picture this. You come home after a long day, and instead of ordering expensive takeout, you have a delicious home-cooked meal ready in 20 minutes or less. And the best part, you're in full control of the ingredients, which is super important when you're sticking to a low-carb keto diet or really any eating plan. So let's talk about cost. A quick meal at Chipotle for 2 people can easily cost $40 or more, right? But if you prep a similar meal at home, you could spend as little as $15. That's a $25 savings every time. Multiply that by 5 meals a week and you're saving $125. Over a month, that's $500 in your pocket. Who wouldn't want to save that? Let me break down my meal prep formula for you. It's super simple and you can customize it to your lifestyle. Step number 1 is you want to keep a matrix of go-to meals. Have 9 to 12 meals that you absolutely love that are easy to make. And for me, that means delicious, nutrient-packed meals that are going to keep me full and satisfied. So the way that I do this is I keep a running list of recipes and ingredients in a spreadsheet so that I never forget and I have everything that I need when I go grocery shopping. I just pull up my app and I can go through the list and shop. So tip number 2 is shop smart. I always shop the day before I meal prep. It saves me from feeling overwhelmed trying to do everything in one day. Plus, I love using grocery pickup or delivery services because they cut down on temptation and impulse buys, and they save me a lot of time. If you're like me and you have to hit 2 stores to get everything you need, you can pick up your groceries from one store like I do and then walk the aisles on the second store, right? It's easier. Tip number 3 is you want to maximize your appliances. This is my biggest tip. When it's time to prep, I like to use my oven, my Instant Pot, the stove, and sometimes even the air fryer all at the same time. I make sure to plan meals that can be cooked using different appliances simultaneously, so everything gets done much faster. The 4th tip is to get organized with storage. You want to invest in some good quality storage containers. I love using silicone bags and glass containers. They keep my food fresh and make it easy to reheat when I'm ready to eat. There's no more fumbling around with mismatched containers and lids. So these silicone bags are great. They come in lots of different sizes and you just squeeze them shut. They can go from fridge to freezer and you can take them into your microwave to warm up your food. They're inexpensive and they're not plastic. So that's a great thing. So now for the good part. Let me show you what I'm cooking this week. So the meals that I have prepped today, or I'm going to prep today, are delicious, they're low carb, and they are perfect for any busy schedule. So the first thing I'm making is an Italian pot roast with a cauliflower puree on the side. The dish is rich, it's flavorful, and the cauliflower puree is a perfect low carb side. So I use my Instant Pot for the roast, and while it's cooking, I'll be steaming the cauliflower on the stove where I'll blend it into a smooth, creamy puree. It's gonna be delicious. So the second thing I'm going to make is a chicken shawarma. I'm gonna prep the chicken shawarma for a midweek barbecue. I'll marinate it with spices, lemon juice, yogurt, and then later on in the week, I will grill it and serve it with low carb wraps, a fresh tomato cucumber salad, some fresh yogurt. And the best part is you can actually cook this in the oven if you don't feel like firing up the grill. So the last recipe will be a sheet pan cabbage and sausage dish that I'll be having for lunch. I'm gonna keep it really simple. This dish is hearty, it's flavorful, and it only takes one pan. You just chop up your cabbage, some onions, you're gonna toss in the sausage and some seasonings, and the oven is gonna do the rest, and you'll have lunch prepped for a few days. So let's go cook. All right, we're just gonna cut this into some smaller chunks. Just 4 pieces is probably fine. And then we're gonna put this in the Instant Pot. So we're gonna add our Worcestershire sauce, Italian seasoning, we got like half the jar of pepperoncinis, some of the juice. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of allulose. And about a cup of bone broth. Cup of heavy whipping cream. Salt. And some bone broth. We need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. We're going to use the zest and the juice of lemon. We're going to add some more garlic, or some garlic. About 3 cloves of garlic and some Greek yogurt. Mix it all together. So we're going to measure out about a 1/4 cup of oil, and we're going to just toss this with some oil, some salt. Probably use about 1.5 teaspoons, and a lot of pepper. Toss it in the sheet pan. All right, so if you're tired of feeling hungry, unprepared, and falling off track with your health goals, Give meal prepping a try. It saves you time, it saves you money, and most importantly, it helps you stay consistent with your eating plan. With just a little planning, you'll have delicious, healthy meals ready to go, and I promise you, it will make your life so much easier. So I hope these tips inspire you to start meal prepping. If you give any of these meals a try, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for all the tools, the recipes, the spreadsheet that I use. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video with anyone that you think might need some meal prep inspiration, and I'll see you in the next one.